Hi everyone, Buddy here at the Brick Builder Zone, and today I'm going to assemble this Winnie the Pooh treehouse from Lego. I bought this off of eBay because it was one that I've been wanting for a long time now and Lego was out of stock. I was told I was getting a new in the box version. What they didn't tell me was that it was new in the box, but it had been previously assembled. So everything was all jumbled. Oh well, I love a challenge and I really wanted to build this because I've been a Winnie the Pooh fan ever since I was a little kid. Let's face it, I got tired of hunting for pieces, so I divided everything up by color and type. This made it a lot more enjoyable. Finally, after 1,265 pieces later, I was finished. Words cannot express how excited I am of finally having this piece and having it finished. It has the feel of the 100-Acre Wood. It's the world of Winnie the Pooh, all the way down from the house interior to the tiny bees flying around the beehives. I have to say though, the minifigs are my favorite. To get these 5 is super awesome. Now all I need to do is find a place for this where my kids can't get at it. Thank you for watching, and I'd really appreciate it if you would hit the thumbs up and subscribe.